Okay, we're here at Sweetfrog, and this is our breakfast for the day. I'm personally starving. We're really excited to go and get some frozen yogurt. Whitney, come on with. Oh, here you are, dear. You look good in that hat.
Who's got the pinata bat?
So I have to say, this is quite the popular frog head. We have it at our shows, and I guess yesterday like 5 people wanted to buy it, and we said, not a chance. That's our frog head. Maple bacon donut,
red velvet cake, pumpkin, apple pie.
Oh, they've got pumpkin and apple. Do you have the little like cups that?
There's like the mango.
There are like tons of yogurt places like this in Utah.
Oh, that's good.
But this is way better.
This is
It's kind of like a mint chip.
Really good.
Better flavors.
So many better flavors.
Well, and they're like
the texture.
When I go to those places, I'm like, and I'll like, there'll only be like one that I really want. And here I'm like, I need all of them.
Oh, cheesecake. So good.
It's literally like a maple bacon donut. Really good.
I'm a little unconventional. I do toppings on the bottom, then I do some, and toppings on top.
There's so many better toppings here too.
I know. Look, like what is this? Caramel turtles?
Yeah.
They have caramel turtles.
Actual turtle shape.
And they're shaped like little turtles.
Turtle power. Shaped like little turtles.
Shaped like little turtles. Oh, so good.
These are kind of like a side appetizer, the fish.
Did I make the right decision? I don't know. When I have this many decisions, my mind starts to like shut down. It's all about the berries for me. I love the berries.
So with coconut, is it lame to put more coconut on the coconut? No. Okay, it's going down.
It's not ice cream. It's like a fruit parfait.
With the side of Swedish fish.
Yeah, we gotta do some good grams here.
Yeah.
We're obsessed with Instagram.
Gabi. Yes. Grab me. Wait, come here. Alright. Oh, wait, no. This way. Okay. So you get on one side, I'll get on the other. Don't go behind like that. No, you have to be front. Yeah, do like that, like separate. Go face them. What flavor do I want? I'll take cake batter. Great. What about strawberry? Let me ask you close to you. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
So what's awesome about this is like, as you go through, you hit different layers, and I just hit the maple bacon layer, which is, I forgot how good it was. So good. I went through red velvet, which was awesome, then coconut, now I've hit the maple bacon, and then peanut butter's next. I love peanut butter.